Hello students, in previous class we started exercise 5 in chapter integers. Okay, in 7th class in this one multiplication related sums only we have. What are those sums? We will discuss here. Already in previous class we discussed two sums. Okay, second sum on marks I will repeat again. For example, here we have 8 into 53 multiply minus 125. Okay, for example, we have to write property, otherwise you can interchange the numbers. But multiplication should be easy to work. So first we have to interchange these two numbers. Interchange these two numbers. 8 multiply minus 125 into 53 into 53. We use here commutative property. If you know commutative property, we can write commutative property. Otherwise, you can just interchange it. That means which is gives the 1 beside zeros. That multiplication we have to done first. We have to do the first multiplication. Now we have to multiply these two. So we multiply these two 125 into 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 20. 8 1 is 3. 8 plus 2 1000. That means sign multiplication must plus into minus 1000 multiply 53. Okay, if you have 53 1 answer minus 53. Beside how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. 3 zeros you have. One thing by multiplying these two numbers, later we can multiply this one. No problem. But it will take so much time. To avoid that one, we follow this interchanging process. Okay, we go for the next question. Second question, third question. Completed. Second question. 15 multiply minus 25 into minus 4 multiply minus 10. Minus 10. Now anyone you can multiply, but once they said zeros are getting or not, just check it. Okay, if you multiply these two, one beside zeros you will get no. If you multiply these two, one beside zeros you will get no. 4 10 is 40. Okay, if you multiply these two, we will get 100. 25 4 is 100. 25 4 is 100. That means 25 multiplied with 4. 4 5 is 20. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 10. 100. That means 15 multiply minus plus 100 multiply minus 10. Now we can multiply this. Okay, we can multiply this. 15 1 is 15 plus into plus only plus 0 2 zeros are there into minus 10. Now we can multiply this. 15 into 1 minus 15. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 3 zeros you have to write. That means 15 10 is 150. Here 2 zeros are there, 2 zeros you can write. Like that also you can write. No problem. Now next fourth question little bit different this is. Minus 41. Already we know the properties. Those properties, any one property. Okay. Now I want to take simplest multiplication. I want to use here distributive property. What is the distributive property? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property over multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over addition. That means this form or this form is available here? No. We have to convert that one. Any one of them, either this one or this one. But simplest way we have to choose. So I want to write minus 41 same only. Multiply 100. I want to write 100. 102 we can write as 100 plus 2. 100 we can write as 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 how much is? 102. 102. Okay, so I want to write this one 100 plus 2. Okay, by adding we will get 101. Now it is in the form of this form A B plus C. That means this is the A form This is B form, this is C form. A into B plus C. A into B plus C means C. Now we can extend like this. That is minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Okay, A into B. Like this I extended. A into B plus A into C. A into B into A into C. Now multiply. Minus into plus. Minus 41 into 100. 41 100 plus into minus. Minus 41 2 years. 2 1 years 2, 2 4 years 8. 82. 41 2 years. Now both having the same sign. Both having the same sign means what we can do? E is correct. No. Here ones place onwards we have to start writing. Okay. Okay. Here ones place, tens place. One place below ones place we have to write. First we have to take this written one, wrong one. Now we have to take one place below, one place only. Okay. One place this is, one place this is, one place this is below, one place. Tens place below, tens place. Minus. Both having minus means and. Both having same sign means what we can do? And. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 8, 8, 1, 4. Both having big sign minus. So 4, 1, 8, 2. This is the solution. We go on to the next one. Fifth Roman. 625 multiply minus 35 plus minus 625 plus 65. Okay, just change the sign here. Okay, change the sign. What we can write here? Minus 625 you can write. Minus into plus minus only. Okay, minus 625 multiply 35. We use commutative property here. Just change the sign. Okay, here sign I substitute here. Okay, minus 625 into 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Okay, I can take a dot if our convenience I am taking here. Okay, now here take which we can take on. Okay, this is the form of A into B plus A into C form. This is A, B, A, C. That means A common is there. Okay, minus 625, minus 625. B 35, C 65. Now we have to write this form. A into B plus C form we have written. A into B plus C form. Okay, right? 625 into. Okay, by taking outside of the bracket, what is the remaining here? 35. In this group, 35 is remaining. In this group, minus 625 is taken common. Then 65 is remaining. 65. Now, minus 625 multiply 35 plus 65. 35 plus 65, how much is? We have the answer. 35 plus 65. 10. 5 plus 5. 10. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 plus 6. 10. 100. That means we can get minus 625 into 100 means minus 625. Okay, that is the answer. We go for the next question. Sixth question. This is very important one. That's why I am saying all the sums. Okay, we have to practice again. We have to practice again as homework. Now we have to take already it is in the form of A into B minus C. A into B minus C. A into B minus C. That means we can write the distributive property. What it is? A into B minus C equal to, we can write A into B minus A into C. Already by saying distributing property, I told this one also. According to multiplication, how we can write A into B minus A into C. Okay, A value 7, B value 50. A into B 7 into 50 minus A into C 7 into 2. 7 into 2. 7 5 is 35. 0 is that means 7 into 50 350 minus 7 2 is 14. Subtract 350 minus 14. Okay, 1 place below 1 place, 10 place below 10 place address. Okay, 350 minus 14. Now subtract this one. Take power this becomes a 10, this becomes a 4. 1 less here, 1 10 add here. Okay, 10 plus 0, 10 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 that means 336. What is the answer? 336 is the answer. Go for the next question. What is the next question here? Seventh question. Minus 17 into minus 29. Minus 17 into minus 29. Already this is related to the 41 into 102 sum model. But one thing remember, easiest way we have to choose. Easiest way. That's why I have written this is minus 17 and I am writing here. Minus 17 multiply minus 21 minus 21 minus 21 minus 29 I have written minus 30 plus 1 minus 30 plus 1 20 minus 29. Okay, this one I have written here minus 30 plus 1 that equal how much is minus 29. I want to write this total minus 30 plus 1 minus 30 plus 1 minus 29. So I written like this minus 30 plus 1 29 convenience cycle. You can write 20 plus 9 also, but it will take some time. If you take these numbers, it will be easy to work. Now a into this is a value, this is b value, this is c value. A value, b value, c value. Okay. Other 1 minus 30 also we can write, no problem. 1 minus 30 also we can write. 1 minus 30. 1 minus 30 how much is? 1 minus 29. 1 minus 30 also we can write, no problem. Okay, now a into b we have to write. We have to use the distributive property. Subtraction over. A into b. A into b means minus 17 into 1 minus 17 into 30. Minus 17 into 30. That means here minus is there. Minus I written. Take less only. Okay, without confusion. Okay. Minus 17 into 1 minus 17. Minus 17 30 times. 17 times. 50. 510. 510. Now remove the bracket. Minus 17 minus plus 510. Now subtract this. 510 minus 17. 510 minus 17 means this becomes 0, this becomes 10. 3 subtraction I am going to do because 1 is plus 1 is minus there. 1 is plus 1 is minus there. So subtract. 1 is plus 1 is minus there. So subtract. Again take power. This becomes 4. This becomes 10. 10 minus 1 9. 493. Which 493? Plus 493 plus 493. And next we go for the last question in this Roman. What is the last Roman here? 8 Roman. 8 Roman. Minus 57 multiply minus 19 plus 57. Okay, now we have to convert into the distributive property one. This is one group multiplying, but here 57 only. And then here a into b form is there, but here not there. First is sign multiplication to minus into minus plus 57 into 19 plus. Okay, 57 we can write as 57 into 1. 57 into 1 how much is? 57 into 1 equal to 57 only. Okay, to get a value, I can take that one. Otherwise, you can write 57 into 1. We have 57 into 1. Now, in this group, this is one group. This is one group. This is one group. 57 I written as 57 1 years. Why I am written like that? To get a C value. Already A value available, B value available. Here A value available, but C value not available. Whenever if you have That's why it written here 57 angle. Already 57 available. 57 into 19. B value available. This is A value, A value, B value, A value, C value. Now we can, this is the form of this one. We can write this form also by using this one. Now we can write A into that means 57 into. Whenever A value is common, then only you can take common. Otherwise we can't take common. A 57 into B value 90 plus 1. B value 90 plus 1. 57 into 90 plus 1, how much is 20? Now multiply this 57 20 yes. 57 and 20 yes. 0 0 2 7 is 14 2 5 is 10 10 plus 1 11 0 4 1 1 by R. Okay, 1140 1140 is the answer. Okay, by using distributive property we do. After now we have multiplication. Now we go for the division. What is the division? Division of the integers, how we can do? This is very important to the exercise. In this one again you have to write it. Third one practice again. What is the next division? Division of integers. Division of integers. Division of integers what? First one, integer divided by integer. We take here a. I want to take integer as a. A is any integer. Any integer I represent with a. Any integer I represent with a. First one, a divided by 1. A divided by 1 means a by 1 equal to a. Any integer divided with 1, we will get the same integer only. Any integer divided with 1, we get the same integer only. Second one, in 1 divided by a. 1 divided by means 1 by a. 1 by a only answer. Okay, we get 1 by a only. Okay, next third one. Any integer divided by 0. 0 divided by any integer. 0 divided by any integer means 0 by a. That is equal to 0. 0 divided any integer. 0 divided by any integer. That is 0 by a. That is equal to 0. These are very important for the bits. Okay, that's why I am writing. Okay, fourth one. A divided by 0. Any integer divided by 0. Any integer divided by 0. Up to now we done any division by using the divisor as 0? No. In previous classes we can't do the division. We did not do the division with the 0. So that means a divided by 0 equal to not defined or undefined. Not defined or undefined. What is the answer? Not defined or undefined. Okay, these divisions you have to remember. A divided by 1 or a by 1 equal to a only. A is represented here any integer. Any integer. For example, I am taking here 70 by 1. 70 divided by 1. 78 divided by 1. That is 78 by 1. That is equal to 78. Second one. 1 divided by 78. 1 divided by 78 means 1 by 78. 1 by 78. Third one. Any integer 0 divided by 78. 0 divided by 78. That is 0 by 78. That is equal to 0. Numerator is 0 means 0. Next, fourth one. 78 divided by 0. 78 by divided by 0. That means 78 by 0 equal to not defined. That means we can't do the calculation. That is the meaning. Not defined. Not defined. One more is there. Fifth property. What is the fifth property? 0 divided by 0. 0 by divided by 0. Also not defined. Not defined. 0 by 0 also not defined. That means we can get here 0 by 0. 0 by 0 means not defined. These are the divisions related to the integers. Here a is an integer, then we can take this. A divided by 1 equal to a, 1 divided by a equal to 1 by a, 0 numerator part is 0 divided by a equal to 0 by a, that equal to 0. A divided by 0 or a by 0 not defined or undefined. Anyone you can write. 0 by 0 equal to 0 not defined. Okay, we go for the exercise 6. Okay, if you take properties. If you consider the properties closure, commutative, associative, identity, inverse, any property if you take properties related to the integers according to the division symbol, no property will follow because only integers means there is no denominator. But if you use the division symbol, we will get the denominator. Sometimes denominator, sometimes we are not getting denominator. So according to minus sign, integers will not follow any property related to the division. Okay, what is the important point here? You have to remember, integers will not follow the properties, any properties. 5 properties are there. 5 properties will not follow by using the division sign. Okay, we have to complete the. Today we have to complete exercise 6 also. We have to complete yourself only. Exercise 6 also we have to complete. Okay, I will say sign division we will say. Okay, what is the sign division? Exercise 6 also complete yourself only. What is the homework today? Today homework page number 19. Page number 19. Third Roman all sums. Third Roman all sums do again. And page number 22. Page number 22. First Roman all sums. We have to complete it yourself. Okay, now sign. How we can sign it? Okay, we have plus number by plus number, minus number by minus number, and both having the same sign. Then we will get the plus. Okay, one is plus, one is minus. One is plus, one is minus. And then opposite sign is result is minus. For example, I will show you minus 7 by minus 9. This one we can write as plus 7 by 9 we can write. Otherwise, minus 7 by minus 9 is there. One is minus, one is plus. Then what we can write as minus only we can write. Otherwise, we can write as 17 by minus 20 like this given. One is plus, one is minus. Minus means one is then minus only. 17 by 20. 17 by 20. Okay. Okay, so here minus 7 by minus 9 equal to 7 by 9. 17 by minus 20 minus 17 by 20 minus 17 by 20 minus 7 by minus 9 minus 7 by 9 only. Similarly, for this also minus 7 plus 7 by plus 9. Plus 7 by plus 9 is how much? 7 by 9. Okay, what is the work here today? Okay, we have to follow these steps here. We easily can do. Okay, already in the previous class also we got it. These two page sums we have to complete for a homework.